JJum, and this is JJum Space. You're welcome. I decided to do a video for the first time in a very long time. It's been 7 good months. 7 months. I don't have any valid reasons though, but like I just couldn't combine YouTube and school, and I realized that YouTube is actually struggle. Like it's a real job, like very stressful, because filming, editing, and then school, so stressful. But in this semester I have a very favorable timetable, so I won't be going to school throughout like all the 5 days in a week, so I have a lot of extra time, so I'm hoping to create good content, fun content for you guys. Yeah, and we rebranded. We are no more called Pinjo Vlogs and more, and I'm called JJum Space. Yeah, because I wanted the name on my YouTube to go with my Instagram. You get it? Yeah. So that's why I changed from Pinjo Vlogs to JJum Space. Yeah. So that's it. I'm excited for 2022. Yeah, 2022 has already taught me within these 5 days. 2022 has already taught me some lessons, right? But I'm hoping to possibly, I might try to look about it. Let's see what God will do. You get it? Yeah. So I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, because I decided to do a little kind of silent vlog for you guys before I came in to tell you guys about my plans for 2022. Yeah, so that's it. Ooh, and I'm graduating this year. I'm excited about graduating this year. School has been stressful. School hasn't been that good on me. Yeah, but we are hopeful for the best. Yeah, so watch out for my graduation vlog. Yeah, we're excited already. Yeah, so I guess that's it for today's video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're old here too, don't forget to like and comment. Yeah, share my videos and repost them on your stories, on your WhatsApp statuses, and then stuff and blah 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 blah. It was amazing speaking to you guys all over again. I'm loving this YouTube thing all over again, so I hope I get consistent till my next video. Bye bye.